Hello, welcome back to Color and Canvas. Today I'm just going to be doing a simple little Dutch pour. And I just kind of threw this together quickly because I just did two really interesting straight pours over there. And all the drips I scraped up made this fabulous color of blue. And I said, oh, that's a nice color. I can use that for something. And then I thought, you know, we haven't done anything with a really neutral palette lately. So I'm going to do some blue, mixed blue, and some neutral colors and see what can happen with this little 10 by 20 canvas that we have. So the paint that's in this cup is a lot of metallics because I was using metallics in the last pour. So all of those are blended together. So it's a real metallic base. And so I wanted to use metallics for our colors as well. So I have copper, which is Deco Art Copper, Deco Art Metallics. My white is actually a tiny bit of pearl white mixed with my Amsterdam titanium white. A little bit of Floetrol, a little bit of water. This is 24 karat gold. Again, a little bit of Floetrol, a little bit of water. And this is my Amsterdam black, oxide black. And so you can see, I hope you can see, they're really, really thin. They're thin the way you want them for a Dutch pour. Super duper thin. And you can tell I had used that cup on two other pours today. It's a tiny little bit of gold paint that just flaked off the side of it. So when I'm telling you that I'm reusing paints, I really mean it. I am. All of these cups were in use before. Alright, so let's get this pretty blue base coat down. This kind of steel gray, turquoise, I don't know what kind of color this is. I just know that it's beautiful. And we'll get this base coat down and blow out those colors and see whether we can get one more pretty pour today, because I am quite happy with the other two. Actually feel like my base coat may be too thick. I'm going to pour it back in the cup, because I have more than I need on here. So I poured some back in the cup off camera. I'm sure if there was somebody in here watching me, they'd think I had completely lost it. Because we don't want this base coat to be too thick, but we want it nice and smooth. So enough to pour over the edges. I could blow it out with a hairdryer. I'd rather just tilt it. Since it's just one color, I can. And because this paint had been mixed together from several different pours, a couple of times actually, I'm probably not going to use it again. Because at this point, you've completely lost track of how much water is in it, and, you know, little bits of dried paint and other odd things are getting mixed in every time you reuse it. So this will be our last use for this cup of paint, and it's had a good life. It's made some nice paintings. All right, I think we're looking okay. Seems like we have good coverage. And I have an idea of how I want this to look. It's a composition I haven't done before. So let's just drizzle these colors right down the middle and blow them out and see what happens. Here we go. I'm starting with a little drizzle of black. I was going to say right down the middle. It's not really right down the middle. And some 24 karat gold. And some of our Amsterdam and pearl blend. And our copper. Okay, that looks good. I like those colors. I'm thinking I might go with one quick little stripe of black over top of the whole thing. And then we'll put some of our color along the side. I do have a fair bit of paint on here, so we don't need too much of the blow over color. I'm going to put just a bit down here. All right, looking good. I'm going to get our little hair dryer. Where are you? Here you are. this adorable little hairdryer. And here we go. Oh yeah. Didn't quite do the best job down here, but overall I really like it. I love what these colors are doing together with that blue. A couple of more drops of paint down here would have been good. So rather than actually putting more paint from over there, I'm just going to pick up a few drops right here of our mixed colors. Just like that. Even some of the blue. And just blow that out. I think I need 1 drop of copper here. And we'll blow out this section. That's actually not bad. Needs a little bit more color right in there, which I will put in right here. But otherwise, I quite like it. I think those are going to dry really pretty. All right, I think we're going to leave it just like that. I say I'm going to leave it like that, then I start blowing on it. There, now I like it. There's a little bit of that blue in there, but not too much. I love the wispiness on some of them, and you know, the real nice edge on the others. I think there's a real good combination of both. And there we go. I'm delighted. I'm happy with it. I hope you guys like it. And I will be right back to show you the dried one in just a second. All right, well, here it is. It's dry. The colors are deep and beautiful. And sorry, it looks so much different than it looked in the video. You know, the sun and clouds kept coming in and out and changing the color of what the wet paint looked like while I was painting it. So, but this is the real color when it dries. Look how much darker and deeper and beautiful those colors are. I'm delighted with it. I hope you like it too. Beautiful doves flying through the middle. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and please go paint something beautiful for yourself. Have some fun and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.